Hello guys, and welcome to this tutorial on how to write a cover letter for a software engineering job. In this YouTube video, you will receive information about the cover letter format, formal requirements, do's and don'ts of writing a cover letter for software engineers. Within just several minutes, I will write an example cover letter for a software engineering position. By doing so, you get hands-on information instead of endless theory. The example can be used for those that are pursuing jobs related to big data engineering. Now, before I start writing, I want to emphasize on the top 5 keynotes for writing your own version. First off, use the cover letter format and pick a suitable font and font size. Calibri, Arial or Times New Roman with a font size between 10 and 12 will do. Second, understand the position requirements and inform the reader about related soft and hard skills. Hard skills are, for example, experience in Linux, Java, Case or JavaScript. These skills help you get past the applicant tracking system. Soft skills are talents such as leadership, detail-oriented and able to work under pressure. The third keynote is a follow-up. Only illustrate experience and skills that add value to the position. But remember, make it measurable. Don't simply list your skills, but provide the reader with examples that prove you actually master them. Use numbers, percentages, or show feedback reports. Remember, your cover letter is a supplement to your resume. Do not recreate it. Fourthly, identify the hiring manager and organization. Find out to whom you need to address your letter to, in case no name is added to the vacancy. If so, check the About Us and staff pages on the company's website and do some research on LinkedIn. At last, thank the reader for their time and consideration. Briefly summarize your qualifications and reiterate why you are a good fit. Express an interest in continuing to the next stage in the hiring process by politely initiating an interview. Alright, these are the keynotes you have to keep in mind. Next I will start writing the cover letter example. Follow my instructions, and if you don't understand something, leave a comment down below. First off, we start listing the contact information on the left, then the date between white lines, and the organization's contact information. The opening should be something like, "Dear Mr. Watson," or "Greetings Mr. Watson." As I told you earlier on, prevent openings like "Dear Sir" or "Madam," "Dear Hiring Manager," or "To whom it may concern." If you don't have a name after proper research, consider calling the company or department where you want to work. It shows you are proactive, interested and motivated for the job. In the introduction, you don't start with introducing yourself. It sounds strange, right? Although some sources say otherwise, I firmly believe that you first need to grab the reader's attention. Enthusiastically illustrate in one sentence how your experience and skills can add value to the position. Also, recruiters are always interested in where you found the job. Write it down in detail so that you leave a good impression. In the second paragraph, you start by introducing yourself, followed by expressing your motivation for the job opportunity. Tell the reader about your affinity with computer programming or coding, and that you are motivated to contribute your experience and skills to the job role. Use some related keywords in the job description as proof that you did your research and are in fact motivated for this specific job. In the third paragraph, you have to match your qualifications to the job description. Thoroughly read the job description and look specifically for competencies that are mentioned first or listed more than once. These most likely have a higher priority to the recruiter. If you lack experience, emphasize on related hard and soft skills. The top 5 software engineer soft skills include communication and teamwork, problem solving, curiosity, adaptability, and time management. The top 5 hard skills are programming language and frameworks, databases, data structures and algorithms, source control, and testing. Remember to not simply list them like in a resume, but provide context. The last paragraph has several objectives. Be specific about what you want to further elaborate on, and politely initiate an interview. Also, refer to your resume or references, and let the reader know that they can reach you anytime in case of questions. You can end the cover letter with "Sincerely" or "Best regards," followed by your name and surname. Now, in just several minutes you gained insight into the structure of a formal cover letter format. And you also know the do's and don'ts for each paragraph. You can use this example for various job titles, as front-end developer, coder, full stack developer, etc. If you want the cover letter example in text format, then visit the external link in the description. I also want to emphasize on matching the cover and resume templates. On this screen, you can find a professional looking template pack. In the description, you can find a link to the website where you can download these. Now, if you have any questions, leave a comment down below. And if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. A like and subscribe is greatly appreciated because it helps me create more tutorials about this subject. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye!